Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Tuesday, September 3rd, 2024. Let's find out what's going on Bitcoin. Bitcoin to Tether at Zondacrypto, daily time frame chart, Japanese candlesticks, and few things are already on this chart. As you can see, the one important thing on this chart is the death cross, 100 periods moving average red, crossing from the upside, 200 periods moving average green. So the death cross usually means that this moving average crossover is bearish for the whole market. It's like an additional indication of a downtrend extension, right? Yesterday, very nice day, bullish engulfing pattern, right from the new local low, 57,300 tethers, and the momentum was actually quite negative, below the level of 50 whatsoever. Now, if today's we have any kind of a movement to the upside, so in the short term, this is the situation. We are going to test 61,190. This is the nearest technical level. Of course, technical resistance, and then we got the technical resistance much more important, located at 64,769, just above the moving averages death cross. Nevertheless, first they need to break above this technical resistance. Now, the local low will act as the technical support, so let's just pay attention to this level. Yesterday open 57,350, so that's technical support, and there is one more level here located at 56,788. This is of course the low from the August 15th, 2024. Now, there is nothing going on here in terms of the trend continuation. There is still very big amount of uncertainty whether the market should go up or down. Up means, of course, towards the death cross and above 64,686, and to the downside, of course, is below this level here, 49,573. So basically, this is not a pattern on the market that looks like something is really trending to the upside or to the downside. The market doesn't know where it wants to go right now, to be honest. It looks like the after the first three waves to the upside, yeah, we got the ABC pattern to the upside. Then we got the doji, daily time frame chart doji, confirmation, extension to the downside, a little bit of the pullback that was capped at this level, and then lower we go. Possibly the target is, of course, 56,788, but yesterday we got the update. So this is not really this kind of a situation where you can say that the market is trending. No, there is still like a battle between bulls and bears. So far, bears are winning. Bears are winning, and they are pushing the prices lower, especially because the market is the price, of course, and the market is below the death cross. On the daily time frame chart, this is very important. This is daily time frame chart, very important. Open, very important. Close, plenty of people looking at this kind of a chart whatsoever. As you can see, we got the situation on the, if we zoom out, where there is series of a local high, local high, series of local highs and local lows as well. And that's kind of a dodgy right now. Plenty of people are basically marking this this situation as an expanding triangle. Let me make it very clear and very big for everyone, so everyone can see it, because plenty of people is doing this this kind of a expanding triangle, which can be right, however, where's my RSI? Nevertheless, it's already been 6 months, people, right? So it's a very big triangle. And please remember, if it is an expanding triangle, so in that place on chart, this is a continuation pattern, right? Or continuation of what? Of uptrend from golden cross here to death cross here, expanding triangle. So most people, what do they see on this kind of a triangle is that when it's completed somewhere, we go up, 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 way above the recent swing high. So that's the plan. From the technical point of view, what is unsettling is that it takes 6 months to do this expanding triangle into the death cross eventually. So right now, look at this. We are in the middle of this potential expanding triangle pattern. So the market isn't going up, isn't going down. It's consolidating. It's trying to accumulate. It's trying to distribute some traders. So no straightforward answer from the market behavior. What's next? Very, very big amount of uncertainty right now. So please get this in the back of your head these days. We need a decisive breakout above the technical resistance or below the technical support to see what this market is up to. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis. I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.